Hey, what's up? It's 6th of August. High time frame looks really bearish. Look at this. We just hit the equilibrium of this range over here, and we just hit the equilibrium of this range over here as well. That's over here, okay? So these two equilibriums are being hit. So that makes this low super high quality. But I have a problem with the low time frame reaction right now because it keeps going up. I need us to start going down, but it just keeps going up, and it makes me think like, okay, maybe we're gonna take the buy side first. Come here, take this first, and then maybe reverse later, turning this into a manipulation, which I don't like this scenario as much as just immediately dumping right here. This is what I want to see, but so far price is not following that up. I want us to dump down, create a breaker structure here so we could target this. But there's also this bullish SMT over here on these lows over here. So the high time frame looks really good for a short, but the low time frame looks more like a long, and I don't like it. It kind of makes me confused. I don't know what to do. So our market open, I just want like a quick sharp manipulation up here, create a new SMT, and then we create a breaker structure over here, break structure, then we target this. That would be my A plus setup. It really looks messy. It's a freaking like, a compression of price over here, kind of turning into a triangle pattern. And we have SMTs over here, we have SMTs over there. So I don't know what direction it wants to go at market open. So we just have to wait. And honestly, if we start going up, I'm not going to take a trade. But if we start breaking structure down, then I'm going to go full size. Risk around $500 because if it goes down, then I think that's a plus trade. On the high time frame, there is this big SMT over here, and on top of that, we have this fat bearish hourly fair value gap that we rejected off from. So both of these confluences have only one target, which is down here. And ideally, I want to first take some profits at this internal low, and then I want to let runners go to this external low. And on the hourly chart, there's also a break of structure over here, and we rejected from this hourly fair value gap as well. So there are definitely lots of bearish things going on. But the way it's hanging around here tells me this breakout structure isn't really that strong. But we'll see if it's strong at market open. So as you can see, there are a lot of bearish factors today. All I need is for us to break this low. If we break this low, it's open season. I'm freaking taking shorts to the freaking bottom. We potentially have a small breakout structure over here on the 5-minute. And if this breakout structure activates, then this breakout structure activates, which means we take this low. And that's probably going to create another breakout structure here, which means we take this low. So it's kind of a chain reaction. That's what I'm hoping would happen. 20 seconds away from market open. So far, I like it. So far, I like it, but I'm not sure if this breakout structure is going to be enough for me to take a trade. I want this breakout structure to activate. This is too small. I don't trust it. Okay, market's opening. Give me a nice manipulation. Give me a nice SMT. ES is dumping. SMTs. These are equal highs. It's kind of an SMT. You have SMTs over here. Okay, that's where I put my stop loss, and I can take a short. 5-minute. Could it be too early? Just hit that. I don't know. It's kind of choppy. It's kind of messy. I'm not sure if this is an A plus trade right now. Okay, that SMT is invalidated. See, this is what I mean. This breakout structure is too little to trust. this break of structure really sets the order flow for the session, right? So that's why I was more waiting for this. Okay, so now we're getting the manipulation. Give me an SMT. Okay, beautiful. ES is really weak. We definitely have an SMT somewhere. Boom, we have a big SMT over here now. Beautiful. Look at how weak ES is. What's going on here? We still have a crazy SMT with ES. Still have a crazy SMT. But NQ just keeps going higher. Right now, price is drawing to this buy side. It's obvious, right? 20 points away. But we are at a bearish equilibrium. So that's why I don't want to really short. And we have the sharp SMT. Well, SMT is besides the point. We should only be concerned about Nasdaq's order flow if we're trading Nasdaq. I mean, is this an A plus trade? Technically, it's really close to the drawn liquidity, which kind of makes it A plus. But the high time frame is just not there. High time frame. Look at this order flow. It's completely bearish. So that's why I'm really hesitant to take any longs. I only want to take a short. And we had a bullish SMT over here. So we definitely could have entered something like this and target that. But I'm fine with not taking this. I'm fine with missing out on this. Okay, so we took that buy side now. It's a shame. I really wanted us to rotate down, not up. Now we have another crazy SMT. Over here. And over here. There's so many SMTs everywhere. There's an SMT here and an SMT here, right? Like this. So I don't like it. That just means it's choppy. And we know it's choppy because this is like, this thing's just keep on consolidating and it's getting tighter and tighter and tighter. It's really choppy. So we want to stay away from these kinds of market conditions. Okay. I think we're about to have a break of structure. Okay, we have a break of structure. Beautiful. Where would I enter short? Stop loss would be too big. Jesus. On the 5 minute, I want us to close below this 5 minute candle. Ideally, I want us to close over here because that's the main target. This is the high time frame target as well as this. So yeah, I think I'm gonna wait because I don't want to get chopped up on freaking 15-second noise. 15-second noise is not A plus. High time frame order flow, now that's A plus. If this 15-minute candle really becomes this wick when it closes, that's really good. That's really good because with this week we took out this liquidity and we created an SMT, and we're gonna start breaking structure down over here. That's gonna be beautiful. That would be beautiful. Okay, we are displacing down. This is lovely. This is lovely. I want us to come down here by the time 9:45 comes, which is this vertical line. At 9:45, the 15-minute candle closes, and by the time that happens, if the candle's down here, then that's a confirmed break of structure on the 15-minute. That means this sell side is A plus target. Notice how this big ass 5-minute candle got closed below by a bigger ass 5-minute candle. This is technically a break of structure as well. So things are looking pretty good. As long as this wick comes down, closes over here. That's all I need now. And it needs to happen in 2 minutes right now. If we create an SMT here, I would want us to break structure over here. We technically already have an SMT right over here. Just over here. So we could displace down from this. Look at this. This low is not, this high is not taken on it ES, but this high is taken on NQ. Okay, we have a better SMT right now over here, but ES could also take it right now. I hope this turns into an SMT. But right now, it's 10 seconds away from 15-minute candle close, and we are not looking bearish on the 15-minute anymore. It's no longer a wick. This is why you need to absolutely wait for a confirmed candle close when you want to see a break of structure. Because now this candle looks super bullish, and it's gonna, yep, keep going higher up. Notice how in the last few seconds, this candle just completely becomes bullish, and then the next candle just shoots up. That's why 9:45 is so important, because it really sets the tone for the morning session. Okay, so market opened right over here, right? So far, market has not done what I wanted to do. At market open, I wanted it to manipulate and then start going down. But guess what? This thing kind of manipulated, and then it manipulated here again, and it's going back up. So this is chop. This is the realest definition of a choppy market condition right now. This is choppy. And when I was inexperienced, I would look at the high time frame. I would say, okay, order flow is so clearly bearish. As soon as market opens, I'm gonna catch an SMT and I'm gonna go short, right? But what happens is it ends up being a chop, and you don't recognize that it's a chop, and you keep trying to short because the high time frame looks so good. And now you've just blown your account because you've taken a bunch of losses because the market just keeps going up, down, up, down, up, down without getting anywhere. I have so many drawings on my chart. I can't even like distinguish what's going on anymore. So I'm just gonna delete most of the drawings that I just did, because I don't know what's going on anymore. Because that's another sign of chop. It makes you keep on drawing even more SMTs, even more fair value gaps, even more liquidity sweeps, and at the end you don't even know what the hell you're looking at anymore. And that's another sign of chop. Yeah, we have a really nice big SMT over here, and it aligns with the equilibrium, but this equilibrium is not getting respected. Because if this equilibrium really was a good equilibrium, as soon as it touched here, it would have just taken the sell side right away. But guess what? We're coming back up again, so that's why I lost faith in this equilibrium. Unless we come back down and create a break of structure over here. I am no longer looking at this break of structure. I'm looking at this break of structure, because this is the new reference point for a break of structure. And guess what? That's not going to happen while I'm still on the charts. That's going to take a long time, and it might not even happen. So that's why my bias is wrong today, and I did not see a clean, efficient price action to the sell side. So that's why I'm calling it here. I'll see y'all next time. Peace.